Hello,
Hello.
everyone. This is Anne from Achieve.
This is Travis from Achieve.
Our high-quality remanufactured SANY excavators are ready for inspection.
Hello everyone, today I'm very impressed to come and meet Achieve company. They have all different kinds of excavators, very good quality, very good condition. Yeah, actually I don't even have idea that here in Changsha they used to sell excavators. I thought excavators can only be found in Hefei or in Shanghai, but here also they have very good excavators in good condition. So you can contact them on their website or on their platform, yeah, for more details. Thank you so much.
Achieve, your reliable partner.
Offering high quality excavators.